Okay, so the next question's from Charity. Charity would like to know, how do I invest in cryptocurrency and what platform should I use? The easiest platform to invest in cryptocurrency, in my opinion, is Coinbase. I like Coinbase because it's user friendly. They're good with the regulators. It's not, one of those exchanges that's in another country where you can't get your money back. Crypto is kind of a shady market if you're not careful. At least in the beginning, it was where people would invest their money and they'd lose it all because the exchange would be based in, Korea or something like that. Whereas Coinbase is an American company, from what I understand, and they have to answer to American regulators, and also they have a large list of different currencies available, and as well as different ways to explain what the different currencies are all about and things like that. So I'm a big believer in Coinbase. I'm a big fan of Coinbase. So I hope that this helps you, Charity. Good luck in your investing. I think crypto is a great market. Just be really careful. I wouldn't put more than 10% of my portfolio in crypto. At least I try not to do that. And also, it's not one of those things I think is going to make overnight money. It's still a type of money we have yet to understand. We financial scientist types are still trying to understand crypto. People have compared Bitcoin to digital gold, whatever that means, and seeing it almost like gold as a safe haven asset because it's in limited supply. And I think all those things are good. But you won't really know the dynamics of that market until it stood the test of time. So be really careful with crypto. But I think it's a good idea to be involved so that in case crypto does take off, you'll be a part of that. So I wish you good luck. Take care.